The price illusion. Most consumers assume that spending more on makeup automatically equates to receiving a superior product. Most consumers are wrong. The reality is that the difference between a £5 brand and a £250 brand has almost nothing to do with how it performs on your skin. It has everything to do with understanding exactly what you are paying for at every tier. Welcome to the Beauty Lab UK. Today, we are dismantling the 7 levels of makeup. By the end of this investigation, you will know exactly where your investment is justified and exactly where you are simply paying for a gold embossed name on a glass bottle. Let's look behind the label, Budget Beauty. This is the entry point. This is where most of us own our first real makeup without ever pausing to consider what is actually inside the tube. It's the e.l.f. concealer you grabbed at Boots for £6. It's a wet N Wild palette or an Essence mascara that cost less than your morning flat white. These brands don't survive on high prices. They survive on razor-thin margins and massive global volume. At this level, you're spending between £3 and £12. Here is what most people get wrong about level 1. A cheap price tag does not equate to cheap performance. Every liquid foundation on this planet uses the exact same 4 pigments: titanium dioxide, along with red, yellow, and black iron oxides. Regulations require these pigments to be synthetically produced to identical purity standards. There is no such thing as a luxury pigment. It simply does not exist. A foundation from e.l.f. uses the same colorants as a £200 product from Peau. The raw ingredients inside almost every foundation cost the manufacturer between 40p and £1.50 per unit. The actual difference in ingredient cost between a budget bottle and a luxury bottle is often as little as 30p. Remember that number, because it's going to haunt us at every level. The real limitation here is longevity and texture. Level 1 uses basic silicones that sit on the surface and fade faster. But for daily wear? e.l.f. is the undisputed champion. Their camo concealer is a staple in professional kits because, under a studio light, even the experts struggle to tell the difference. The gateway brands. This is where makeup stops being disposable and starts being a serious contender. Maybelline, L'Oreal, Revlon, and Max Factor define this space. You're spending between £8 and £18 at Superdrug or Boots. At level 2, the formulas evolve. We start seeing genuine skincare actives, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B3, or a stabilised SPF. L'Oreal True Match, for example, offers 40 nuances with a pigment precision that many £50 brands don't even attempt. And here we encounter the industry's biggest open secret. L'Oreal, the company behind these £12 products, also owns Giorgio Armani Beauty, Lancôme, and Yves Saint Laurent. It is the same parent company, the same research and development teams, and often the same manufacturing facilities. Beauty editors have known for years that L'Oreal Infallible Foundation performs almost identically to Armani Luminous Silk. The best value here, the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. With SPF 50 and a base designed specifically for mature skin, it is one of the few products that dermatologists recommend by name. The Prestige Middle. These are the brands that live at Sephora UK or Space NK, but want to remain accessible. ColourPop, Milani, or the more affordable ends of rare beauty. You are spending between £15 and £28. The conversation shifts here because you are now paying a retailer tax. Stores like Space NK take between 30 and 50% of the retail price before the brand sees a single penny. a ColourPop formula can compete with almost any luxury product on the market. They simply don't have the expensive counters at Selfridges, so they can't justify charging £50. ColourPop's Pretty Fresh foundation is the industry's best-kept secret for hydration and shade range at a sensible price. Prestige territory. Now we enter the realm where your vanity starts costing real money. Between £30 and £50, you are buying from MAC, NARS, Estée Lauder, and Fenty Beauty. These are the names behind the glass counters, the brands your mother wore, and whose loyalty you likely inherited. MAC leads the industry with over 60 shades. Estée Lauder Double Wear has been a bestseller for 20 years, retailing for around £40. Something significant changes technically at level 4. The silicone technology becomes sophisticated. Double Wear uses a specialised silicone resin that forms a waterproof film on your skin. That is the secret to its legendary staying power, a finish you simply won't find in the high street aisles. But here is what the marketing won't tell you, that £40 bottle costs roughly £6 to manufacture. Marketing consumes another £10, and the retailer takes the rest. You are paying for the guarantee that the product won't budge, and for the prestige of the name at the counter. The icons welcome to the territory of Charlotte Tilbury, Giorgio Armani Beauty, and Pat McGrath. Here, you are spending between £45 and £75 per product. This is where we cross a line where ingredient lists cannot fully explain the price. Giorgio Armani. Luminous silk uses gas-filled microspheres that diffuse light across your skin. It contains a phenol-modified silicone with a higher refractive index, creating that lit from within glow that has been famous for 25 years. This specific silicone costs the manufacturer about £25 per kilo, compared to £3 for the basic dimethicone found in drugstore brands. Pat McGrath, the legendary artist from Northampton, wasn't made a dame for nothing. Her pigment density is unparalleled. But the uncomfortable truth remains. When you compare the ingredients of an £8 Maybelline Fit Me and a £65 Armani Luminous Silk side by side, the overlap is startling. Water, volatile silicones, identical emulsifiers. Armani adds glycerin, which costs almost nothing, the light diffusion spheres, and perfume. The actual difference in ingredient cost? Roughly 30p. Whether light diffusion is worth a £50 markup is a personal question of style, not a question of objective quality. However, if you are making your first serious investment, luminous silk remains the gold standard. High beauty. Most consumers have never heard of the brands at this level. Inside the industry, we speak about them the way watch collectors discuss handmade Swiss movements, Decorté or SUQQU. Here, the premium isn't about marketing, it's about genuine, obsessive craft. Decorté, owned by Japan's Kosei Corporation, sources ingredients like a single-origin coffee roaster. Their birch sap is harvested only during a 4-week window in spring in Hokkaido. SUQQU was born backstage in the Japanese film industry. Actresses needed makeup that looked flawless for 14 hours under HD cameras without looking like a mask. Their philosophy inverts Western thinking. Rather than fighting the skin's natural oils, their foundations absorb and elevate them into a luminous finish that evolves throughout the day. You are spending £80 to £130. For the first time on this list, the premium reflects years of genuine, independent research before a single advert was ever shot. The SUQQU Cream Foundation is the absolute pinnacle for those seeking perfection without texture. Collector grade and bespoke. We have officially left the world of wearing makeup and entered the world of owning an experience. Here we find Clé de Peau, the foundation, at £250, or La Prairie Skin Caviar at £270. Guerlain offers jewelled compacts with diamonds priced over £5,000. The price per gram is 50 times higher than budget makeup, yet the raw ingredient cost is only about 3 times higher. La Prairie uses actual caviar extract from Swiss sturgeon. Whether that justifies £270 when a £40 alternative achieves 90% of the visible result is a question La Prairie would rather you didn't ask. The real secret? Every top Hollywood makeup artist custom mixes foundations as a standard practice. The industry's actual level 7 isn't a product, it's a technique. Gucci Westman always uses at least 2 shades. The classic backstage hack is mixing Armani Luminous Silk with Embryolisse Lait Crème Concentré, a £12 French pharmacy moisturiser. The most expensive foundation in a pro's kit costs £65. The secret weapon costs £12. The verdict. So, where should you actually spend your money? The sweet spot lives between level 2 and level 5. From the gateway high street brands to the luxury icons, essentially between £12 and £65. This is where formula quality and value actually meet. My advice? Start at level 2. Learn what your skin likes with a £12 L'Oréal True Match before you spend £40 on Estée Lauder. If you know exactly what finish you want, treat yourself to level 5. Armani Luminous Silk has been the editor's choice for 25 years for a reason. Level 6 is for the connoisseur who appreciates the craft, much like a fine wine from a small vineyard. And level 7? Ignore it, unless you are a collector. That money buys 5 exceptional products instead of one that performs no better than the icons at level 5. The best makeup is the one that matches your skin, lasts through your day, and doesn't make you feel played when you find out what it actually cost to make. Everything else is just an expensive bottle. This has been the Beauty Lab UK. If this analysis helped you, subscribe to the channel for our weekly deep dives. See you in the next investigation. Stop paying for the lie.